I've had the same standing desk and chair for a while now, and I felt it was time for an upgrade. In this review, I've partnered with Boulies, who kindly supplied their Fit Pro office chair and their very new MagVida standing desk. If you're looking to upgrade your office or studio space, these two products from Boulies may be worth checking out. Originally named the Fit Pro, this office chair has evolved into a full-sized model with an adjustable headrest, seat base, lumbar support, as well as side arms. Assembly is very simple. The seat and backrest come pre-installed, and you only need to attach the base, riser bar, and casters. Then place the seat on top and screw on the side arms using the provided tools and screws. The chair comes in up to 3 colours and 2 material options, fabric and Napa leather. The one featured in this review is the brown Napa leather model. It's a tall back design, which I found slightly frustrating, as Boulies has discontinued the short back version, which would have been a better fit for my setup, contrary to what their marketing images might suggest. Despite this, the chair doesn't feel as overwhelming as a traditional gaming chair, thanks to its minimalist design and narrow side profile. It maintains a sleek presence, yet it still includes enough comfortable padding on both the seat and back panels. Adjustability is key for a chair that you'll be using for hours at a time, and the Boulies Fit chair does not disappoint. It includes adjustable headrest, armrests, seat height and depth, lumbar support, and reclining angle. One standout feature is the method of making these adjustments. Instead of the pull and lift metal levers that are awkward, simply lift, adjust, and release. No leaning, no fumbling. It's very user-friendly. But with that said, the lumbar support lever is a little bit less intuitive. It feels more like a flat bar that's sandwiched between the back padding, and it is a little bit awkward to push it up or down whilst still being seated to find your lumbar preference. It's a minimal support system that works fine for some, but for those that need stronger ergonomic adjustment, you may need to look elsewhere. The armrests are another area of concern. While they offer plenty of flexibility, adjusting up and down, side to side, and forward and back, the mechanism is just too loose. Every time you enter or exit the chair, they constantly move and need readjustment. Sadly, there's no locking mechanism to prevent this, whereas a simple button-based adjustment system would have been much more preferred. The Boulies Fit chair starts at £599.99 for the fabric option and £799.99 for the Napa leather version. While this places it in the premium price range, it doesn't quite match the level of ergonomics offered by other chairs in this price bracket. But with that said, for those seeking a clean, minimalist aesthetic with ample comfort and adjustment, it's a worthy option. But with all the small issues mentioned, the Boulies Fit remains a well-designed office chair that blends sleek looks with practical comfort. The Napa leather adds a premium touch, although it does come with a £200 premium. But if you find yourself on a budget, I would think the fabric version may offer similar comfort at a more affordable price. I'm just personally disappointed that the short back version is no longer available. Now, every office or studio needs a desk, so let's look at the MagVida standing desk. Although I was content with my previous standing desk, which was a DIY blend of standing frame and a kitchen worktop offcut, managing cables and finding compatible drawers was always a chore. It was time for an upgrade, and the MagVida was a definite step up. You get everything you need inside the box. There is the 140 by 70 centimeter tabletop in either black or white colorways. It comes pre-attached with a steel frame underneath, and also find 2 legs with built-in motors, the base feet, all necessary screws and tools, power cables, and a control panel. Assembly is straightforward. The desk is very heavy due to its steel frame underneath, as well as its metal panel components that also sit inside the tabletop itself. So having 2 people to build it is ideal. However, I managed to build it solo in about 18 minutes, following the clearly illustrated instructions. The desk's controller is a small display unit mounted underneath the tabletop using 2 pre-drilled holes. It features up and down buttons, 3 memory presets, and a save function. I programmed positions 1 and 2 for sitting and standing heights, while position 3 could be used for a higher elevation, such as clearing chair arms whilst the chair is being stored underneath. The panel also has a child lock, which can be toggled by pressing both up and down arrow buttons simultaneously. I was pleasantly surprised by how quiet the dual motors were, at only 45 decibels, which is noticeably quieter than my old desk. With a 120 kilogram weight capacity, it adjusts very smoothly from its lowest position at 61.5 centimeters all the way through to its highest position at 127 centimeters at a rate of 32 millimeters per second. The smaller motor size in each leg also improves cable management space that's underneath the desk. At the center of the frame is a power hub that connects each leg motor and the controller. This could be a little bit neater because it requires 3 cables to be inserted into the control panel instead of just one, making it harder to tidy it all away. Fortunately, the MagVida desk comes with 3 magnetic silicone clips to help organize these cables as well as its own power cable. I use these magnetic clips to secure the controller wire as well as the power lead to run it down its side leg. But I do recommend purchasing at least an additional set of these magnetic silicone clips if you have a lot more peripherals to manage around underneath. Also accessories including a magnetic cable tray, a magnetic hook and a magnetic drawer. Boulies kindly supplied all of these accessories so I can tell you what I think of them. The magnetic cable tray is especially helpful for hiding monitor power bricks and cable clutter. While it works quite well, I would have preferred a slightly longer version with a more secure system than the hook and loop attachment that it comes with. The magnetic hook itself is great for hanging things such as headphones neatly underneath your desk. And since it's magnetic, it can be repositioned anywhere underneath the desk where there is metal surface points, which is a great touch for any future upgrades that you might do. And finally, we have the magnetic drawer. I was curious to test its size and strength. The drawer is compact, ideal for storing stationery and very small items. But personally, I would have preferred a larger A4 or even an A3 size drawer if they were able to find magnets that could support the whole weight as well as its contents. Its construction is solid with smooth runners and a sturdy closing mechanism. Overall, I chose the black tabletop to suit the rest of my office furniture, but its tabletop surface does show dust and smudges quite easily. The surface is a slightly textured vinyl finish that does look premium, but it is quite easily prone to scratches. I would recommend taking care with sharp objects as the black finish can highlight damage quite easily. In the future, you could wrap this tabletop surface or replace it completely. However, if you were to replace it, you will definitely lose the benefits of the magnetic accessory system underneath. At a current price of £549.99, the Boulies MagVida desk is priced at a higher end of the market. Its standout feature is the magnetic accessory system, which generally improves usability as well as aesthetics. However, at this price, I would have expected built-in USB-C ports or wireless charging to match competing standing desks from other brands. If your budget allows and you're drawn to its unique magnetic features and its refined quiet motor system, the Boulies MagVida standing desk ticks many boxes and makes a solid and stylish upgrade to any workspace. All right, I hope you found this video about the Boulies Fit chair and MagVida standing desk helpful. If it has, give us a big thumbs up down below and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about either of the stylish Fit chair or the MagVida standing desk, and I'll do my best to answer them. If you like this kind of content and you'd like to support my channel, you can do so by sending us a super thanks on YouTube or check out the link in the description to buy me a coffee and you can support me there too. I really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.